All right. All right, we're good. We are good. Good morning, everybody. First yawn of the day, and it's right when we start live. I am trying some different stream settings today, guys. So if you notice something that looks weird, blurry, whatever, let me know. Let me know. Anyway, good morning. We have a big gap up overnight. Couple hundred points. We're almost at 26,000 on NQ. We have an hourly high right above us at 852 and an hourly low below us, which is London low at 768. So ideally we move down in the open, sweep the London session low, maybe can move up from there. ES also same thing. London high above us, London low below us. We want one of them to sweep. And then news, I think people are saying we have FOMC this week on Wednesday, so expecting a rate cut. We'll see. But yeah, a little bit of news this week. Settings, this is just the normal Joey settings posted in the Discord on the same version that you guys are using. Been working on the update all weekend. We're going to be working on it the rest of the week. Really going to try and get it out for you guys hopefully this coming weekend. That's our goal. There was a stop out long. These settings here, what I got. For the live stream settings there. Overnight, we did have one loss there. Then we had a full win, so green. Then we had another full win, green again. And then loss at 6, so 7 Eastern. I'm doing good, Joe. How you doing? Doing good. Doing good. Been working on the update most of the weekend for the Autotrader. We have a nice short right here. This is pretty good. This trade. It's 1 minute before the open, which that's not good, but yeah. Doing solid too. Good. Yeah, good. I think we might move down on the open here. We have a SMT at the high, a little bit of a liquidity sweep. We'll see. All right, bit of a pump up actually. Okay, we'll see. All the rest doing 2 of the RPT. I mean, not every single trade everyone's gonna get is gonna be exactly the same. Even if we're using the same Autotrader, same settings, same everything, it's not always going to be exactly the same. And that's just how historical data loads, how your data loads. I mean, it's right. You should match mostly, but not every single thing will be exactly the same. All right, so SMT at the high. Yeah, if the live stream looks blurry, looks weird, looks laggy, let me know, because I'm trying a few different things this morning. I think it looks better on my end from what I'm seeing, but again, just let me know. Ripping up here. ES hasn't swept London high yet. NQ just did. Good morning, Aramir. Long time no see. How you doing? So we got all-time highs. It's swept on NQ. Not quite yet on ES. Pretty close though. But there's a bit of a divergence there. Okay. Can you use this with prop firms? Yes, you can. It's kind of what it's built for, is prop firms. So we are working on an update. Again, for just joining, we've been working on an update all weekend. Still fine-tuning things, still figuring out a few things. But we're gonna try our best to get that out hopefully this coming weekend. So start of November, but we're working hard to try and get that. So it's kind of hard to short at all-time highs. I mean, I want to short here because we just swept an hourly high. But also we just tend to move up at all-time highs. That's why I think it would have been better to move down first. I don't know where you guys live, but I woke up this morning and it was 27 degrees outside. So, not very nice, man. Not very nice. Some account solutions working great for that. Those missing orders. Oh yeah, I'm glad that's working. Yeah, I don't think too many people are taking advantage of that, but if you run sim account as leader and just copy to the prop firms, it should fix all the issues, I think. And you're saying it has, so. And again, that's those missing orders. It's just NinjaTrader being weird, right? Because it doesn't happen on sim, so it tends to bug out when more real orders are kind of being submitted. But shorts are valid here. We'll see what we want to do, but. Solved it? Awesome. I love to hear that. I'll have to remind people about that then. Oh my god. Oh, jeez. I'm kind of pissed. I just meant to short and missed it. Beautiful setup. I would already be up 1 hour. I'd be done on the day, probably 200 bucks. Okay. Are we lagging behind here? Oh my god, we are. Okay. I don't have many days loaded. Yeah, I meant to short right here. Damn, that's annoying. That is annoying, man. I literally was watching shorts right there. I was looking at a 30-second chart. Kind of missed the 1 minute. It's going to be in... Yeah, it's... Okay. Pretty much... I think it would base... It was probably shorting off of here. I don't know, because I just reloaded everything. Yeah, this trade right here, this short is a setup. SMT at the high. Swept an hourly high as well. Nice momentum candle down. Our targets would be the London low down here. I mean, it's a good trade. Kind of annoying I missed it. I don't know, was this the actual trade that just happened, guys? Or was it supposed to short here? Because I just had to reload, and I think it was a little bit glitched. But that is a little annoying there that I missed that, but gotta be a little sharper. It's kind of a tricky spot here. Tricky spot. Is what it is. Move on. That's right. We're in a weird spot. ES bouncing off the 50. NQ already swept the high though. Oh my. I get probably the worst fills on Bulanox, I think. From what I've experienced, fills are pretty terrible on Bulanox. Yeah, I don't know if this trade that lost was a legit trade or if it meant to short here. Yeah, I think every time I take a trade on Bulanox, I'm getting multiple points of slippage. Every time. Which I know, I know we, what was I going to say? I just lost my complete train of thought. I was going to say, I know the market's volatile, but I mean, there's times where I think I'm getting 5 to 8 points of slippage with Bulanox. I don't know if market wants to continue up because we're at all-time highs, or if we're gonna... We already swept the hourly high, which makes it a little tricky. We already swept an hourly high up here, so I don't know if we want to move down to London low, or if ES wants to continue to go up and hit London high, which would push NQ a bit higher too. So a little bit in a tricky spot here, for sure. Didn't see that trade on your end? Okay, so it might have just been something weird with me reloading. Might have just been something weird with me reloading. We're drawing lower. Drawing lower. Okay. Looks like we want to go hit London low, in my opinion, the way we're moving, so. Yeah, Bulanox is just atrocious slippage. Like, honestly, really bad. Kind of annoyed I missed that first short, too. Choppy since the open here. Not too much expansion. And about a 60-point range since the open. It might be a slower New York session just because we did move up 160 points overnight. So we'll see. We'll see. I did get wicked out on a long. Well, I ended up moving down about 7 points, and now it's back to my entry up here. But I tried this right here. Got stopped out on this right here. So again, we get a lot of spike candles lately. It makes it very hard. Like, we're slow, spike. Right here, kind of slow, spike. We're getting a little slow right here, spike. So, makes it definitely hard to trade. Especially when you're a scalper. Moving back up now. My long would be, again, it's right at entry point pretty much, but I did get stopped out of that. A lot of wicks at the highs here. A lot of wicks. Look at all these. Even over here. Quite a bit of wicks, wicks, wicks. A lot of sell wicks there. Little spike up there. Yeah, just a lot of, there is a lot of selling here, but also as of right now, buyers are definitely holding it up. Buyers are definitely holding it up. Let's check on the stocks. AMD dropped a decent amount. Google up pretty good. Amazon dropping a little bit on the open. Apple a little bit up. NVIDIA up a bit. Okay, a little mixed. A little mixed. Getting really, really choppy in here. Really choppy. It does look like we want to go down up towards London low. It does, or the 50% level. Just the way we're having so much selling up here. But buyers are also holding it up fairly well. Moving down here. Yes, almost at that 50% level. Another random spike. Oh, geez. Another random spike.
Order filled.
Check out the 3-minute chart. Solid barcode. Is it really? Oh my god, yeah. Actual barcode. That's terrible. That's actually terrible. That's a barcode, that's for sure. That's for sure. Jeez Louise. But yeah, if you guys use Bulenox, do you guys notice that the fills are terrible? Or is it just my luck? Or I don't know. Seems bad on my end usually. Man, I keep trading this top step eval as well. Just trying to pass it as quickly as I can. 2 days. And on Friday, I took 3 trades on it. Each one I was going for just 1,500 bucks of profit. First trade I got like 4 points away from TP, went break even on me. Second trade got like 2 points away, break even on me. Same with the third trade. It's a shame. Same with you on Bulenox? Yeah. Okay. Glad it's not just me. Right now, I'm in an eval long, about 1.75 points away from TP right now. So we'll see if it gets hit, because on Friday, literally easily should have hit TPs. It's a shame. Okay, so just got, 1 point away from TP here, and it's coming back. Might break even me. Need it to hit 44.75, and we just hit 43.75. It's been my luck on these evals. Okay, we just got, we just tapped it to the tick. Okay, there we go. We got hit. 15.13 total. That account is up $1,492. So not quite 1,500. Not quite 1,500, but if I make 15.10 tomorrow, it'll be fine. Okay. Flat and choppy, stuck. I mean, we are definitely, like you said, if you look at that 3 minute. Of course, the trades I take on eval always win, right? That's just how it is, because I'm not even taking good setups on the evals. I'm just kind of taking whatever, and then I, take a funded trade that's actually pretty good. Take an L. That's how it goes, isn't it? The 3 minute looks disgusting. Yes, they are. The settings that are pinned. Yep. This trade I don't think should have been taken. I was reloading my data, and then it instantly entered as soon as I reloaded it. So I think this was a bug, just because I clicked reload my data. But otherwise, I think it's a little green total. Had a loss at 8 in the morning. Full win over here last night. Another full win over here. And then a loss. So 2 full wins, 2 losses. That means that we're up about 1 R overnight. Which isn't terrible. A little less with commissions, probably like 0.75, 0.7 R. Another spike up there. But yeah, literally. All right, ES just made another equal high with the London high. Hasn't swept. Last couple days have just been pretty terrible for me. I've been doing really, really good this month up until, I mean, I'm not doing bad still, but Thursday, Friday last week, super wicky, super volatile. And so far today, terrible. I mean, literally look at the chart. It's actually terrible. You cannot say that I'm wrong. No matter what style trader you are, it's bad. We didn't sweep London High on ES. We literally tapped it. Which is, that's now 3 equal highs. It is so choppy though. All right, just swept the high again. It's kind of a bummer. I got wicked out on that long, but from earlier, that would be up about 25 points. Not really any setups up here either. A lot of sell wicks up here. There really is a lot of sell wicks. Yes, just swept London High. And just about it tapped all-time highs to the tick. Didn't quite sweep yet. Okay, there's the sweep on ES. There's the sweep. Oh boy. We are still, I mean, we're uptrending, but it's still pretty choppy today. All right, big uptrend there. What are we doing? Guys, it's slow. It's slow. Ooh, ooh, ooh. Probably won't stay live too long. We'll see how the action develops over the next 5-10 minutes, but I mean, it's not looking too hot so far. Or it looks like we might just be uptrending, so we'll see. But it's not the best, that's for sure. What do you guys think? Are we uptrending all day, or are we gonna have a pullback at any point? You guys have any thoughts? Want to see an uptrend personally, but skeptical. I gotcha. All-time highs is definitely the time we could just slowly uptrend, that's for sure. I want to see a pullback, but I'm skeptical on that, so. I don't really like shorting up here by any means, but there's no, I mean, there's no spot to long for me either, so. Trade tournament going pretty well. Kind of fun to trade with 3 micro limitation. Is it 3 micros? That's kind of good actually. So people can't just go whatever 100 contracts or something. Are you just using your algo, or are you doing manually on that? Gotcha. Cool. Are you in first place yet, or? On 415, gotcha. Gotcha, nice. Might have to call it early though. I mean, we're just chopping. We have no fair value gaps up here. So that means no algo trades at least. But I'll give it 5 more minutes and we'll see if anything happens. Usually when I end the live stream, the action tends to get better. So we'll see. But oh, random volume, random spikes happening here. I do not like shorting up here. Shorting at all-time highs is always sketchy because, like, let's just say there's a pretty good chance we just continue up, right? Pretty good chance. NQ selling off a bit here. ES not following entirely, but looks like we might just want an uptrend here, and that's okay, but doesn't fit my model, so we'll see. But NQ pulling up here. NQ moving. I think they're kind of opposite right now. Kind of opposites. Pretty small range on ES today, actually. We've moved 13 points today on ES. NQ has moved from low to high. 78 points. But anyway, we're still chopping up here, kind of. We're not going to get any trades up here, so I'm just going to call it here. So 10:15, call it here. Thanks for joining, everyone. And yeah, I'll see everyone tomorrow. So have a good rest of the day. I'll see everyone tomorrow.